Zapof Forms has a built-in spreadsheet with over 500 Excel-compatible functions. We can use the answers to the question elements in a formula. To find out how the spreadsheet calculates the value from the answer to a question, we can read the element's card description in the Add Question and Element panel. Alternatively, we can also click the Using Questions Answer button on the Questions toolbar to find out the return value of a question. Click the Add Question and Element button on the left toolbar. Each question element card shows how the question returns its value. For example, for a single-line text input field, the input returns text value. A currency input field returns a numeric value. A single choice input field returns a single member array of the selected choices index. A multiple choice input field returns an array of the selected choices indexes. A yes/no input field returns 1 for a yes answer, 0 for a no answer, and -1 when none is checked. Let's close the Add panel and click the drop-down choice element. Click the Using Questions Answer button on the Questions toolbar to find out the return value of the question.